You want us to introduce?
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa CID Ndego wa Muhoro, ateti na andu aria angi mekunyitikana na mahitia ma gutheremia ndumiriri cia gucugira ngahiha ni mekuona kanyoni wa ng'ethe. Muhoro oigite ni maranyabara mitambo ya kiriu kuria ndumiriri icio cingikorwo cigitheremio na matigwitikiria mundu o wothe kubacia thayo wa bururi wona kampeini ciambiriria muthi wa kiumia.
The criminal gangs, as it were, call them the superpower, call them the Gaza boys, call them the Mungikis, and the rest. We are focusing on them really.
Mwena-ini wake muikariri giti wa kamiti ya uiguano Francis Ole Kaparo nioigite honge ciothe cia kurumbuia ugitiri wa bururi ni cihaririirie wega kuiga thayo bururi-ini mbere na thutha wa githurano kinene.
Those organized criminals, wherever they are a threat to the peaceful enjoyment of liberties by Kenyans, and they must be dealt with.
Hau kabere gikundi gia kurora ithurano kia ILOG nigikurutite mukana wa gucoka gwa ikundi itari njitikirie cia wikinae hindi no twerekeire githurano-ini kinene.
What our observers were able to record were activities of people or young people who are being mobilized and by politicians especially. And I think I cited the MCAs especially in a number of constituencies where they're being brought together to cause mayhem. And those are the initial formative stages of those militias, because there were groups which would meet in different places, and those activities were recorded down.
Na riu bururi utigetie thiku 73 utafanie githurano kinene. Durumeni ni kurongorerio honge cia ugitiri kuona kana mikana eno ciraruta ni kurutithio wira kugacirithia thayo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.